Good boy. Do it again. You do it again? Cooper, you scoop it? Good boy. Good job. Is it good? Is that good spaghetti? You got a little bit on your mouth there. Got some on your shirt. Spaghetti. You scoop it? Scoop. Scoop it with the spoon. You got a little bit on the bottom. Oh, dropped in your lap. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Scoop. Good boy. You're close. Trying to find the perfect piece, huh? See, I don't want to use a spoon. I just want to use my hands. Scoop it. Okay, say bye. Say bye-bye.